Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will guide you through how to manage your notifications in the Threads app on your Android phone. You'll learn how to customize which notifications you receive, so you only get the important updates and avoid unnecessary alerts. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Threads app. Next, make sure you're in the Profile section. You can get there by tapping the profile icon. Then, tap the two horizontal lines located in the top right corner. Now, select the Notifications option from the list. Here, you will see different notification categories, such as Threads and Replies, Following and Followers, Messages, and more. To manage any notification type, just tap on it. For example, choose from Threads. You can turn off notifications you don't want, like suggested threads or product announcements. Repeat this process for other notification types to fully customize your experience. That's all for managing notifications in the Threads app on Android. Adjusting these settings helps you stay focused on what matters most. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.